Hello everyone, welcome to MMIR study. Hope everyone is safe at home. In this video, we will read about the reading and analysis of maps. So students, to understand it in a better way, you can see my videos from class 6th on maps. Okay, so the students, those who are watching this, please subscribe to my channel and as well as share this video among your friends to know more information about the maps. Yes, the maps are useful us to locate the places. Now we are going to learn about who traced these maps, from how many years the human beings are using these maps, when was the first map was written. Now we will see the past history of the maps. So before starting this video, first of all we should know the difference between the map and the photograph. Okay, so the maps are used by the geographers to show the features and information that we consider important. Like we will be considering as important about places, distribution of rainfall, soil types, population, markets, schools, etc. So if we are looking about the photograph is not able to see and it is not able to show you how much it rains at a place or where are the markets or schools, etc. So all this can be shown with the help of the map only. So the maps are very useful for us to locate the places. Now we will see the maps down the edges. Moving the maps down the edges, the first talent was given to the peoples of Sumerians, that is peoples of Iraq, and they have given the map about 4000 years ago. As you can see on screen also, these were imprinted on clay tablet. Okay, now this is the clay. Yes, and it is in square shape. They tried to keep the records of the temple lands with the help of these maps. So the first talent was given to Sumerians. Now the second position is of Babylonians. See the map of the Babylonians. They also known as the Iraq peoples. Okay, made some of the earliest world maps. And they imagined the world as a round disk. As you have seen the map of Sumerians also, they made the map in the square type and this in a round disk. So there is a difference between Sumerians and the Babylonians. They have showed the map as a square type and the Babylonians have showed the map as a round disk. So, and they have also showed us map around 2600 years ago. So, around the same time, Greek geographers and Herodotus also prepared world maps by arranging places from east to west and north to south. They prepared maps based on their travels and descriptions. So, they used to travel from one place to another place. They observed the places and they used to make the maps. So, which direction they move? They move first east to west direction, then north to south direction. As you can see in the map also, they placed Greece in the middle of the map. See here, Greece in the middle of the map, and they divided the world into 3 continents, that is Europe, Libya and Africa. Okay, all of which were separated by the Mediterranean Sea also. So after them the Greeks, Romans, you may have heard of about Alexander the Great King. Now you can see the picture of the Alexander also. A Greek king who tried to conquer the world and came as far as India 2300 years ago. So similarly, Roman traders had established trading centers on Indian coast to which they came by ships. Okay, so the Alexander king wanted to conquer the world. Okay, he wanted to do the ruling on all over the world and he wanted to make the maps of the world. So maps became useful and necessary for them in order to help the sailors. Sailors, the persons those who are moving from one place to another place to do the fishing. Okay, so the Greeks tried to make the map with the help of the longitudes and the latitudes. Among them, Ptolemy was one of the most famous geographer of the ancient world who prepared detailed maps. The books of Ptolemy were useful and helpful for Arab scholars and sailors also. One famous Arab map maker, Al-Idrisi, also prepared map. So this is the map of Al-Idrisi. They make the maps with the help of the longitudes and the latitudes. Ptolemy was the Arab scholar. Okay. So the map makers were also influenced by religious ideas of Bibles also. See the map made according to the Bibles. It is surrounded by oceans and divided by the continents, Asia, Europe and Africa. After reading the books of Ptolemy, Europeans rediscovered the mathematical calculations based maps. Okay, now you can see the mathematical calculation based maps also. See here. So with the help of the longitudes and the latitudes, Ptolemy made possible to draw the maps. Okay, and after seeing these maps, Columbus went westwards and discovered America, while Vasco da Gama went around Africa and reached India. All these explorations also helped to prove that the earth was not flat disk but a sphere like a ball. So Columbus and Vasco da Gama and all other scholars made us possible to see the maps and locate the places. Okay, so in the 16th century, the father of Dutch cartography was Gerardus Mercator, 1512 CE to 1594 CE, when emerged the world maps according to projections. Okay na? They used to prepare the maps according to projection.